All right, folksy folks. Did you ever watch these videos on YouTube? These guys, Kentucky Ballistics and Demolition Ranch, they shoot at things and they destroy things. Well, I'm going to use my BB gun. It travels at, they say, 1,250 feet a second. And I'm going to shoot these cans. I'm going to line them up. How many cans do you think it'll go through? And we tried it, and it's garbage. I don't like that stuff. It's gross. So I'm going to line them up on my little stand thing there and shoot them like a couple feet away and see what happens. I say one, maybe two. I say it goes through 1.5 of another one. How about that? That's my guess. All right, I got 5 set up. Let's see what happens. Go. Crap. Well, went through that one, out that one. That's probably the first one. And went through 3 of them. Wait a minute. We got a hole. It must have been, it went through. That one. This one's full. This one, it might be in there. The pellet might be inside. Nope. It probably shot out. Looked like it just grazed it. I don't know. That doesn't look like a shot, but it had to. Probably just grazed it right there. Okay. Wow, that's a pretty big hole. Because it went in through here. Holy crap. Let's shoot another one of them suckers back farther. I'm making a mess out of everything, man. Jeez, oh Pete. I wonder if I could like slow it down and see what it looks like. I'm gonna stand back a little farther. That's crazy. All right, another. Ready? Damn. It still got me. I'm back like 10 feet. Yeah, that's the exit. That's the enter. How it blows it out like that. Holy crap. Let's shoot one from the bottom. Let's shoot one from the bottom and see what happens. Gosh. What a freaking mess. Sucker went right through it. That sucker went right through it. Wow. All right. That was enough fun for today. Thanks for watching.